Now we're going to solve word problems dealing with two-digit numerals. So the first thing you need to know and remember is that when we're talking about two-digit numerals, you have one digit, which is t, equals the 10, and then you have u, which is the ones place. So with the 10, generally if you're talking about the original number, which is these added together, you're going to put a 10 in front of t, because that's the tens place, okay? And then you just have u by itself, and this should equal your original numeral. So let's look at problem number 1 on page 28. The first thing it says is the sum of the digits of the two-digit numeral is 11. So that means if you sum these together, just t plus u, it should equal 11. The second piece says the number is 9 less than the number named when the digits are reversed. So it says this original number here, 10t plus u, okay, this is an addition sign, is 9 less than when these are reversed. So you'd put the u in the tens place and the t in the ones place. To make these equal, since this is 9 less, we have to add 9 to it, okay? Then that makes it equal. So that was one of the key factors there. Now, if you see, we have a system of equations. We can solve that through substitution. So you take the easier one to solve for one of the variables. This one's the easiest, it's the smallest. And let's just solve for t. t equals 11 minus u. If you're wondering how I got that, I just subtracted u from each side. U. Now we've sort of come up with an identity for t. We can openly plug it in to this equation up here, and we'll have all u's, and we can solve for u. So let's rewrite it out. 10 times 11 minus u plus u plus 9 equals 10u plus 11 minus u. So we got it all. We got all in there. All we need to do is distribute this 10. So it's going to be 10, 110. That's what that 10 times 11 is. Minus 10u plus u plus 9 equals 10u plus 11 minus u. Let's combine all the like terms now to make this real simple. So this first one here is 110 plus 9, 119, and then this is going to be negative 9u, because we have a positive u and a negative 10u. This other side here, it's going to be a positive 9u plus 11. Now, our last step is to move everything over. So we got to move the 11 over to that side, and we got to move this negative 9 over to that side. So let's just plus it so it cancels out there. And we'll subtract this so it cancels out there. This should be 108 equals 18u. Divide. And you have u is equal to 6. So now we need to figure out what t is. So let's just plug the 6 into this equation right here. So 6 in for u. So t equals 11 minus 6. So t equals 5. This is the equal sign right here. t equals 5. So we figured them out. We got the two numbers. Now let's plug them into, remember, this general formula right here so that we know what the original number is. So if you remember 10 times t, which is t is going to be 5, plus 6 equals the original. So that's 50 plus 6. 56 is your original number.